Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. Okay, so today I'll be working on this 2011 Mercedes E-Class Coupe. Okay, so let's dive into the video. Hope you enjoy. As you can see, I got the door off, I got the front fender off, I took the bumper off, so now I gotta take the quarter panel off. This is my angle grinder that I use to grind spot welds down. I like it because I go faster using this than regular drill bits. So this is a quarter panel that I'll be using. Now in order for me to take this panel off, even after I've grind down the spot welds, I'm gonna have to eat up the adhesive glue that was used to hold the panel onto the car. All it takes is a bit of heat and the glue will release, and then with a little racking and tugging I'll be able to get this panel off without any crimp or putting any dents on it. So just a little rack. Remember to use gloves because it's probably warm from the heat. And there we go. Quarter panel on. Okay, before I had this quarter panel onto the car, before I can put it to the car, I gotta make sure my doors line and the quarter panel is sitting right on the car and it's perfect before I can weld. So I go ahead and put the tail light in, fit the door on the car, make sure it's open and closed properly, and then I can weld. So now that we check our door line and see that the door is opening and closing properly and the tail light fit properly, it's time to go ahead and weld the panel onto the car. After I got the panel welded to the car, I did the body work. I found some dings in the door, some scratch, took them out. We had to do some plastic work where I had to heat the panel up to get it off. As you can see, I got the tail light and the deck lid fitted on the car, and my lines, my bumpers, everything is on the car, so it's ready for paint. Now when I do a big job like this, where I do a quarter panel and along the side of the car, I want to make sure this job is done perfectly. So sometimes I'll do my priming, a bit of priming myself, so I can see where the scratches on the heavy sand marks and get them out, or any things that are dents that I missed, I can take them out before the painter get it. As you can see, it's in the paint shop. It's all prepped and ready for paint. This is what it looks like after it's painted. Got a glassy look to it. So now I can go ahead and start assembling this car. So now I'll finish assembling this car. I'm going to take it to the detail shop for wash and clean, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's all cleaned up. Now this is what it's supposed to look like when it's all done. We had the windows tinted. The customer requested to get the windows tinted. That's what 2011 E350 Mercedes coupe supposed to look like. All shiny. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe and share.